my hair when it's the feeling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you already know it's all natural Candice here again with another video. So guys, I've been gone, I've been missing, you see me, but I'm here, so give thanks. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a hair video. Been a while since I haven't done a hair video. So yes, it has been requested that I do a wash and go, but because I'm 4C, I'm saying wash and go is not gonna work, but we're going to do it anyways because a lot of people are saying Candice wash and go, Candice wash and go. So today for the wash and go, I'm going to be using, they should know this by now, my spray bottle and the one that will do the trick, Eco Gel. So yes guys, this is, my hair is dirty because I don't think that I'm going to wash my hair and then pack it with gel. So I'm doing it on dirty hair, so let's see how it goes. Maybe one day I will do it on clean hair to see if there's a difference. Tell me if you want that guys. So yes, so let's get right into the video. So I went and I part my hair off camera, so I'm going for a side part. So let's begin. I'm going to comb out my hair with my white teeth comb and apply my water and gel. That's all I did basically. Now what that man? Guys, I'm so sorry for the half camera, but I did not realize it was like this. But just bear with me for a while because it's all going to change. Okay? So guys, now I'm going to wet my hair, and in my spray bottle I have water and coconut oil, so my hair will always have moisture. Yes guys, so I'm just running my finger through it and then I'm going to apply the gel. There's some curls there already without the gel, so just imagine when I add some gel to it. But I was still wondering, should I do this because my hair is 4C? But yeah, we're applying the gel right now. Alright, okay, okay, yes, I see curls, I see curls, I see curls. Alright, no, you see it too. So what I do is, when I add the gel to it, I section it into smaller pieces, as you can see right there. And yes, I'm just going to speed up right here, and then yeah. So guys, I changed the location where I was because I watched back the video and I said, no man, them not see me, and me I going with myself. So I'm right here now. Hope you can see better and everything. So I love my curls them though guys. I'm not telling no lie. I'm in love with my curls. As I said, I'm going to do the top part of my hair first. Based on my research, it takes a while to dry. So yeah.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul, no, no, when it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch she rolled around, I give it time. But this here is mine. You know this hair is mine. She rolled around, I give it time. But this here is mine.
Yeah. Guys, based on what I read, some of the ends can get frizzy and all of those things. So yes, this is 4C and the curls are looking pretty lovely so far. So if it continues like this, this will be bomb.
What you say to me? 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 What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say to me? What you say?
So I just section my hair wet. Then you add some eco, yes sir, eco.
I tried to drink it away. I tried to put one in the air. I tried to dance it away. I tried to change it with my hair. I read my
This part of my hair is the long part. Yeah. So I take time with that part. Yeah. If the curls are not coming out how you want them, just use your finger.
Thought a new dress would make it better. I tried to work it away, but that just made me even sadder. I tried to keep myself busy. I've got no running circles, think I make myself dizzy. I slapped it away, I sexed it away, I read it
So guys, this is how it's looking at the moment. Small part there. Yes, so now it's time to do the back. Should I turn around? Alright, let me do that.
Well, it's like cranes in the sky. Sometimes I don't wanna feel those. Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul, no, no. When it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown. This is the vision I've found. Don't touch what's there. When it's the feeling I wear, they don't understand what it means to me. Where it chose to go, where it meant to know. And they don't understand what it means to me. Where it chose to go, where it meant to know. You know this every smile she rolled around, I give it time. But this here is mine. You know this every smile she rolled around, I give it time. But this here is mine. What you say to me? What you say to me? What you say?
I had to pause to tell you that this is looking so good, guys. Look at the back. 4C wear. Alright, so I have the middle to do, so I'm going to do that off camera and come back. You see me? Yeah. So guys, I'm finished. But guys, it's not dry yet. So guys, my turn said the shrink is real, like look here. Let me show you. Look here, guys. Oh my. Oh my. What me hear that, man? So yes, guys. Come mess up with something. Oh god. Alright, so I'm gonna have to fix about that one day. But yes, guys. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I look different though. I might have to do this. Suppose me hair did wash.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feeling.
So guys, I'm gonna make it dry and all those things, you see me, and get back to you. So stay tuned. I'm loving it, guys. Take me a pic. My hair is almost dry, but I'm just gonna end the video right here. So this is how it's looking. So yeah, I really like it, and you already know I have to do my edits and everything. So yes, guys, so tell me what you think. Did it come out good? Did it come out well? Let me hear your feedback in the comment. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. You see me? Oh my, I like this. I love it. No joke. I love it. So that's it, guys. That's it. See you in my next video.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul, no, no. When it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown.